high. In this video we will compare the weight of wet and dry whetstone. The best knife sharpener whetstones will offer at least two sides, one very coarse and one of medium coarseness. The grit 1000 blue side is for sharpening the blade, and a grit 6000 white side is for polishing the blade. This whetstone kit comes with a bamboo holder that includes a slip-resistant silicone base for holding the stone steady while sharpening. In fact, the term whet is actually derived from a word that means to sharpen and does not refer to water. Regardless of what you call the stone, you need to wet it before you can work with it. Let's measure a dry whetstone before we start our test. A dry whetstone weight is 1.294 pounds. Before sharpening can begin, the first step is to place the stone in water for between 5 to 10 minutes. Lengthy time underwater will not damage the stone, so don't worry about soaking it too long. Now let's measure the wet whetstone and find the difference. After 5 to 10 minutes under the water, the stone weighs 1.468 pounds. So what we have learned is that the stone soaks up to 0.174 pounds. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something interesting. It is our goal to provide you with the very best, premium quality whetstone that you will enjoy for a lifetime. Click subscribe to watch our next videos.